Okay, I want to show you guys today what I believe is one of the most underrated features that we have within our CRM. So, as a customer, you have full access to this feature. So, here you can see my screen. This is our social planner. You can plan out a month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever you want to do on your social media calendar. You can update everything from Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram. All of those accounts can be upgraded and communicated to either individually or as a whole, which is super cool. So to do this, I like to view this as a calendar. So let's go today. And you can see I didn't have anything posted today, but you can see I have reviews scheduled for, almost every day of the week in different platforms. And then I also have stuff like, Facebook posts scheduled. So let's post something just so that you can see how easy it is. So I'm going to pick my accounts, which are already attached. I'm going to pick Facebook and Instagram, but you can see I could also pick LinkedIn, or I could reconnect my YouTube. It's not connected here. I can type my post. I can attach my images, which I'm going to upload from my media library. And boom. So it's there. I can post it, but I can schedule this post so that it goes out whatever day I want it to. So this is actually going to be an evening post. So I'm going to schedule it for tonight. And I'm going to come back in here and type in the verbiage. But I just wanted to share how easy it was for us to get this post scheduled. And I'm trying to move the stuff for the video. Anyways, so you schedule that post, boom, it's scheduled. It's going to go out in 10 minutes. So I'm going to have to run in and edit this real quick. But that's it. You can schedule for the whole month in advance. You can schedule 2 months, 2 days, whatever. It just makes it really nice because it's all in one place. Once it's scheduled, you don't really have to think about it. So I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Take care.